Hey guys, my name is Dean. Welcome to Manflow Yoga. In this quick video, I'm going to show you some easy neck stretches you can do to relieve tension in your neck and your shoulders. So these exercises are something that you can do while you're in a seated, standing, lunge, whatever position you want to be in, and they're very effective. You'll notice after just a few minutes of doing them, immediately after you finish, you're going to feel a lot better in your neck, your shoulders. You'll feel more relaxed. You'll get rid of some tension as well. So these three stretches I'm showing you start off with you in an upright position. I'm sitting on a block because that just makes it easier for me to sit. If I'm sitting on the ground without something lifting my butt up, my hips aren't super mobile, so this just makes it a lot easier. So you can sit on a chair, you can sit on a block, whatever's comfortable for you. Shoulders up, back, and down. Chest is up, chin pulling in toward your throat, so kind of doing a chin tuck. And then first stretch is leaning your ear toward your shoulder. So this is the first stretch you can do, just right ear leaning toward your right shoulder. If you want to make this more intense, you can sit on your left hand, and then you can even bring your right hand on top of the left side of your head, and then just lightly pull it toward the right, and that's going to make it pretty intense. So you want to aim for an intensity of about a 4 to 7, not a 10, so don't try to make this as intense as possible. And you're just going to hold this for a minimum of 30 seconds. You can hold this for up to 60 or 90 seconds if you want. Next stretch from here, turn to face your right shoulder. So the ear comes toward the shoulder, and then I'm going to turn to face my right shoulder and just hold that. And again, this is 30 to 90 seconds. Shoulders are still pulled back and down. If I want a little bit more here, I can bring my left hand behind my back to my right lower back. And that's going to add a little bit more of a stretch to the side here. Breathing deeply in and out of your nose. And as you exhale, you allow the shoulder and the neck to stretch a little bit more. Again, the point of this is stress relief and tension relief. So it could be intense, but you don't want to push yourself too hard here. All right, and then come back up. And the last one is looking just straight over toward the side. So I'm keeping my torso facing forward. I'm twisting to face toward the right, keeping the shoulders pulling back and down. And this is just getting my neck looking another direction. And this is really nice because we spend most of our day looking forward. A lot of us are on computers, we're looking at our phones. We don't look to the side that often. So this is really nice for your neck and for your shoulders. And then bring it back to the middle. And now we're doing the other side. So again, left ear coming toward the left shoulder now. Keeping my chest open, my shoulders pulled down and back. And if I want to make this more intense, I can either sit on my right hand. So I'm sitting on the hand opposite the direction I'm leaning, or I can bring my left hand to the outside of my head on my right side and just lightly pull that toward the shoulder a little bit more. I don't want to pull too hard here. This stretch can be really intense. The goal here is, again, find a nice medium intensity. You don't want to get something that's super intense because that won't help you relax. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds, and now turn to face your left shoulder. Again, allowing your forehead to come toward the left shoulder. And if you want to get this more intense, you can bring your right hand to your left lower back, and that will increase the intensity of the stretch through your shoulders. So what we're targeting here, we're working on your sternocleidomastoid. That's the big muscle that connects your shoulder to your head. We're also working on levator scapula, and that's kind of more toward the middle of your back, to the head, and we're also working on your traps here. So we're working on three major muscles that get a lot of tension during the day, either from sitting or from just day-to-day stress. And then bring it back upright, and now just look straight over toward the left. Again, shoulders come back and down. If I want, I can bring my right arm out to the side and kind of open up the chest a little bit more for more of a stretch. And the net result of this is your neck's going to feel a lot better. You'll notice that you'll be more relaxed, less stressed after you finish, and shoulders are going to feel, even shoulders, chest, and even posture is going to improve as a result. All right, and then bring it back to the middle, and go ahead and relax. So that whole routine, if you do 30 seconds on each station, is 3 minutes, but you can do longer if you want to. You can hold each station for 60 to 90 seconds. Yes, you can do this every day. You can do it twice a day if you wanted to. If you have neck pain, I would actually recommend doing it twice per day, once in the morning, once in the evening. You can do it as a way to help relieve tension. You can also do it as a way to anticipate and prevent tension from occurring in your neck, because it helps to put your neck in a nice position instead of this rounded forward position, right, with the shoulders forward and the neck forward and chin jutting out in front of you, which is what we typically do while we're at a computer. So again, do it once or twice per day, and you'll notice your neck and your shoulders and your head feeling better pretty much immediately. And you can leave a comment, let me know what you thought, share it with a friend if you found it really useful, and make sure you're following me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. We put out great content on a regular basis on each of those channels. If you want to learn more about what I do, head to manfulyoga.com. We've got an online members area, training programs, workouts, supplementary videos on diet, nutrition, and much, much more. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this useful.